Okay, here I am. I'm in the garage. Got the spark plugs pulled out down here. And I'm going to try to look in those spark plug holes. I got to practice, so. First to plug this camera in. Okay, open up the program. Double click. I don't know if I can get it a bit bigger. Yeah, okay. Right there. Here goes the battle. I had to set my capture file. And it is, it's in my endoscope folders. Okay, so garage. Next window. I've got 500 megabytes set there. I don't know how much I need. And then we got the roundy round. I have capture ability. And it's pointed at the cylinder, spark plug hole. Let me enlarge this. Okay, so, my finger, alright, it's upside down. Okay, so I gotta go up here to see options. I gotta do the mirror flip. I gotta twist it around a little bit. Get it to straighten up. There's a picture of a picture of a picture. Okay, let's see. We're gonna increase the light. Oh, I guess I better start that thing first. Capture, start capture. Cannot start graph. I gotta go do this again. Okay. Go to File, Set Capture, File, Spitty Garage 2. I am in the endoscope. I just can't seem to get my still photography photos to go in there yet. As long as I don't lose my camera connection. I got a bad USB, that's my problem. Okay, we're still working. Uh-oh. No. Shoot, maybe I already lost it. Okay, let's go ahead and start capture. Start capture. Okay, it's still working. It's give me a white marker, mark the top of this. Okay, let's go into number 1 cylinder. Into number 1, I can see the top of the piston. I can see the side, but I can't look around without having this mirror screwed on there. This is really cheap, so that's why the quality is so bad. It's such a low quality. Megapixel or crap. Okay. Then we go in. We got the mirror on it. There's a valve. Might have just a little bit too much light. I don't know. Let me turn the light down. No. Maybe. That's a problem with it. I've got, too damn many fingerprints on here. Right. Where is that? I don't know. Okay, yeah. Alright, this is just a test to see if I can do it. Okay, the mirror going in. There's the valve. And the focal point ability of this is terrible. There's the side of the cylinder. That's the bottom of the head. That's the exhaust valve. This is not coming off. I don't know what the hell it is. It doesn't appear to be on my screen. It's not on the mirror. $50. No, my power line frequency is 60, not European, so I got to apply. Let's see if it moves. How can those things be on their screen? The screen is not real. Take the mirror off. It just threads on the end, threads off and on. Now let's go into the cylinder. Am I up? Okay. That's up. Going in the cylinder. See the hone marks. Top of the piston, no, that's the cylinder going just way the hell down there. Okay, I've got a valve. Okay, that's a valve, open valve. Looks a little rich. I can see the cylinder walls by increasing the light. The rest of it don't help me worth a damn. Hey, there's a piston. Look at that. Dude, you're kind of scuzzy for only 30,000 miles. Another picture. Okay. That's a valve right there. That's an intake valve. Can't see in there yet, so let's get the capture file set up. Set the capture file. I'm just going to say SG. Open the next question. 2000. It don't seem to like that number. So let me go 1000 megabytes. Hit start capture. That tells me to press this one when I'm ready. I'm going to take this and I'm going to bend it down because you saw what the mirror does. I'll see if I can get it in there. Okay. The piston, but now it's too long, it's too close to the piston. All I can say is you have to draw the piston all the way down to the bottom of the cylinder. So if I was looking for something that fell in there, I could at least see it laying on the piston. But if I want to take a picture, I can take a picture just by hitting the button on the little control piece right here. There's my picture, and I go up and close that.